Roses Valley by being the youngest couple to build a house. I put up this blog yesterday to say I wouldn't have children for any man who couldn't give us a home. And somebody write me to say I create a lot of things and the things them when me talk no go so appear lie me I tell. People you need to understand what is lie from truth, you know. I mean I think it's my job to teach you. I am a loudmouth blogger who have my face on every blog. I see my husband there. My face is on all my blogs. I don't hide. I am not one of them who have fake page and just put up people things or whatever. My blogs, my contents are very personal. So me come say, me and Moses build house at me 17. And so you tell me say nobody up at Roses Valley no know we? Nobody at Roses Valley no know me and no know Moses? So we build with like one room on a settlement road. And for those who are going to say, so you tell me say the people in Portmore don't know we? So the three pitney them where we have their one room, me ensure so that. Then you tell me say the people in Portmore, me a shadow. Miss Millie I know me neighbor. Auntie Dana know me neighbor. Miss Murdoch I know me neighbor. Nurse I know me neighbor. Jerry I know me neighbor. Mr. Hyatt I know me neighbor. Mr. Clark we have the shop I know me neighbor. Who else? Mr. Atkins I know me neighbor. Miss Maureen I know me neighbor. Dottie Nadine I know me neighbor. You tell me say the people I know me neighbor? So you tell Keisha, big up yourself, Keisha. So you tell me say the people that me live beside up no know me? What is wrong with you people? On a bad minds I tell you don't even know if a bad mind. I am a blogger with a face. Everybody know me. When I move out of the matrimonial home, I left and mortgage my own house for myself and meet Chris, and then Chris and I live there until we sold that property and bought this one. Me not like rent house. Me not like motor vehicle. I used to have 5 motor vehicles and I park them every day and take the bus. Yes. I had 5 motor vehicles 5 years ago. And anywhere you see me, you would see me with my folder, my file jackets, in the buses and in the taxis. And I think this lump that I have in my breast is a bounce that I got on my breast taking the bus one day go to court. Yeah. I get a bounce, a terrible bounce. Me not like motor vehicle. Me love my own house. And for those of you who have a problem in my GoFundMe and people giving me things, and stop worrying yourself about people things, no man. Oh no, nobody worrying yourself. You know, so when we were coming to this house, the agent wanted to give us the house of furniture that was here, the little furniture that was here. Fridge, stove, bed dresser. And I told them, no, I don't want it. I don't take things from people there to give me a bill. So that is how Chris and I purchased the things that were here. Me not take things from people so readily. Me have to pray about it and fast about it and seek about it. After give me a gift, it take me days to respond to you. I am not a lively giver. But that is not anything that is good. That is pride. Because I am a giver, so I should be a taker as well. So why don't have so much problem with persons that give me things? 7 billion people on the earth. You are not one of them where I give. So just move on, man. Why not bad man over the little trivial things them, so? Boy, I'm sorry for you.